Asus TUF FX504 laptop comes with 3 different display options with varied refresh rates. Our current contender, the FX504 sports a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. Our review unit had a low-quality 60 Hz TN panel with 45% in NTSC color gamut. As you would expect, the viewing angles are pathetic and color reproduction is also very dull. However, it is decent enough for gaming once you set it in the right position, and we also liked the matte finishing on the display. It had a less powerful 2GB of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 GPU, but TUF FX504 laptop is also available with GTX 1050 Ti, more on the gaming performance later. Storage on the device is handled by a 1TB of FireCUDA storage, bagging the laptop yet another advantage over the other laptops with a normal HDD. The solid-state hybrid disk, SSHD, on this laptop offers speed, which is twice as fast as a normal hard disk. This helps in faster data transfer speeds, and also helps in loading the applications quickly. The hard drive also ensures less power consumption while maintaining performance and durability.